This is the Uniblade Shower Screen Seal, a unique product that fits any bath screen. And now we're going to show you how to fit it. Step 1 is let's remove the old seal and clean the glass ready for the new seal. Step 2 is to click the seals together. So you take the small part and click it into the larger part of the Uniblade. This will then fit any glass thickness from 3 to 8 mil. So that eliminates the need to measure the glass thickness. Step 3, we need to push the seal now onto the glass. Now this will push onto curved or straight glass, it doesn't matter. The seal is really flexible for this. And when once pushed on, we then need to mark the seal so we can cut it to the correct size. Step 4, we need to now cut the seal to length. So we take the seal back off of the screen and we cut it where we've marked it with a junior hacksaw. It simply cuts through the plastic. And finally, step 5, we just need to push the seal back into position onto the bath screen. It's as simple as that. One thing you will need to know about is if the gap on the screen is too small, you may need to trim the blades down. And the best way to trim it down is simply with a pair of household scissors. The Uniblade is an amazing product. It fits 3 to 8 mil glass thickness, so there's no need to measure. You can pull it apart, so it's easy to clean. It will stop all of your leaks, and it's also very easy to fit. So if this is of interest to you, simply click on the link below and it will take you to our website where you can find your local stockists. Thanks for watching.